Hello, in front of me I've got ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, make sure to download ROBOROCK app. You can download it from Play Store or Google or Apple App Store. Next, open the app and log into your account. Tap Add Device and scan your device. QR code is located right here on the top of your robot under the magnetic lead. So now scan the QR code and now make sure that your device is turned on. Present hold power button and home button for 3 seconds until you hear resetting Wi-Fi. Now tap next and connect to your home Wi-Fi. Next, connect to device Wi-Fi. Select ROBOROCK vacuum.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Stand by.
And now the robot is connecting to our Wi-Fi. If device binding is unsuccessful,
Password and try again.
try again and make sure that the password to your Wi-Fi is correct. Tap Enter device. Agree. Skip. Enable map saving. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.